Hello, welcome to all of you. I am Vishal sir, your chemistry teacher. Today I am teaching new point, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction from 12th chemistry from halogen derivative. If you are new, then please subscribe, please like, please share. Okay, today I am teaching new point, that is action of NaOH. I am taking first general reaction, then example, then practice example. Okay, these points are very important for your board exam, for your JEE exam, NEET and CET exam. Okay, I am taking first general reaction. R-X, this is alkyl halide, plus NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide aqueous. Okay, this is heating symbol. Okay, then I am taking box for halogen and sodium atom. Okay, I am taking box for sodium and halogen atom. Then R is combined with OH to give R-OH, plus Na is combined with X, that is Na-X. This is sodium halide, this is alcohol, this is aqueous sodium hydroxide, this is alkyl halide. Okay, I am taking example. CH3-Br plus Na-OH, heating symbol aqueous. Okay, in this reaction I am taking box for bromine and sodium atom. Okay, then methyl group is combined with OH. Methyl group is combined with OH to give CH3-OH plus Na is combined with bromine to give Na-Br. This is sodium bromide, this is methyl alcohol, this is sodium hydroxide, this is methyl bromide. Okay. In this reaction, methyl bromide is react with aqueous sodium hydroxide on heating to give methyl alcohol and sodium bromide. Methyl alcohol and sodium bromide. Then this is your practice example. Okay, this is your practice example, or this is your homework. ओके, जस्ट फक्त बॉक्स लक्षात ठेवा, कोणते ॲटम बाहेर घ्यायचे आहेत आणि त्यानुसार ह्या रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट करायच्या आहेत. ओके, आय एम टेकिंग सेकंड पॉइंट, that is action of NH3. I am taking first general reaction. In this reaction I am writing ammonia in this form. आता बघा बॉक्स कुठे करायचा ते लक्षात ठेवा. बॉक्स मध्ये बघा इथे आता H आणि X हे दोन ॲटम घ्यायचे. HX बाहेर पडणार. ओके, R is combined with NH2, that is R-NH2, plus H is combined with X, that is HX. हा H X बरोबर कंबाईन होणार आणि HX हा साइड प्रोडक्ट मिळणार आहे आपल्याला. आता आपण एक्झाम्पल बघूया. एक्झाम्पल आहे CH3Cl plus H-NH2. बघा अल्कोहोलिक अमोनियम या स्वरूपात लिहिणार. ओके, आता बॉक्स मध्ये बघा हायड्रोजन आणि Cl चे ॲटम, हे दोन ॲटम बॉक्स मध्ये घेऊया. methyl group is combined with NH2, that is CH3-NH2. okay, plus H is combined with Cl to give HCl. This is hydrochloric acid, this is methylamine, this is alcoholic ammonia, this is methyl chloride. In this reaction, methyl chloride is react with alcoholic ammonia on heating to give methylamine and hydrochloric acid. Okay, this is your practice example. This is your practice example or your homework. I am taking third point. Action of Caesium. I am taking first general reaction R-X plus Caesium, that is alcoholic Caesium. This is heating symbol. बघा आता बॉक्स कुठे करायचा, बॉक्स मध्ये हॅलोजन आणि पोटॅशियम ॲटम घेऊया. R is combined with Cn to give R-Cn plus K-X. This is side product, this is main product. This is potassium halide, this is alkyl cyanide, this is alcoholic potassium cyanide, this is alkyl halide. Okay. I am taking example CH3-I plus K-Cn, that is alcoholic Caesium. This is heating symbol. Then I am taking box for iodine and potassium atom. Okay, methyl group is combined with Cn to give CH3Cn. This is main product, that is methyl cyanide plus K. Potassium is bonded with iodine to give Ki. This is potassium iodide, this is methyl cyanide, this is alcoholic potassium cyanide, this is methyl iodide. This is your practice example. This is your practice example. कायम लक्षात ठेवा, रिॲक्शन लिहिल्यानंतर स्टेटमेंट मेन्शन करणं गरजेचं आहे. स्टेटमेंट बघा आता, methyl iodide is react with alcoholic potassium cyanide. Alcoholic potassium cyanide on heating to give methyl cyanide and potassium iodide. Okay, potassium iodide. This is the third example of nucleophilic substitution reactions. I am taking fourth point, that is action of AgCN. This is general reaction. In this reaction, I am taking box for halogen atom and silver atom. Okay, then R is combined with Cn, that is R-NC. R-NC means alkyl isocyanide. Isocyanide group consists NC group. Always you remember, Cn means cyanide, NC means isocyanide. Cn means cyanide. Okay, NC means isocyanide. हे कायम लक्षात ठेवा.